Welcome back to another daily update. I'm currently working on the Samurai project. This is the Pimpin' Crawler's chassis with the Proline Suma. Maybe you can see it back there. The Proline Suma body. It's a short wheelbase. So basically, we're having to build out a new four-link for it. It has all custom links for this because of the short wheelbase. And that's actually what I've been working on today. And I've got the back axle done. So I've got some custom links built back here for the back axle. And then I was actually starting on the front axle, and I had to stop because, well, I had to put this video together. But as soon as I'm done putting this video together, I'm actually going to finish this up tonight, probably in the evening tonight. And then we'll have a full custom four-link setup on this, on the Samurai project, which that means we'll have the bodywork done on the Gremlin. We'll have the four-link setup on this done, and that means we can start filming for the next RC Shop episode. So that's actually good news. I want to just give you a quick look. Let me flip that over, and if I put the body on, I think you can see that when Frank did his math, it's actually working out pretty well as far as locating the axles. So I'm pretty happy about that. Speaking of shooting for the RC Shop episode, I wanted to do one other thing for you guys, give you an update on something. Let me back out real quick. This is what it looks like on a Friday after a week's worth of work in the shop. It turns into quite a mess. So as soon as the suspension's done on the Samurai project, this is all getting cleaned up because this has to all be cleaned up before we can even start shooting for the RC Shop. Obviously, during that series, I don't want the shop looking like a huge mess. So this is basically what a Friday is here in the Creepy Crawler's garage. It's cleaning up from the week prior so that you can do some shooting for the different series that we do here on the channel. Scoot back in. But anyways, I just wanted to give you an update here on the Samurai project. It's actually coming together well. So in the RC Shop episode, what we'll end up doing is putting the rest of the electronics in and actually getting this running. And actually, Frank will do that for us. But we'll get this running the rest of the way because I'll have the suspension done this evening. I went ahead and pulled in the TRX4 so we can get an update on it also. This is the other project we're doing in the behind the scenes series. So we're doing the Velociraptor and then this TRX4 that we're turning into, I think what we're calling an apocalyptic zombie killer or maybe a Mad Max Road Warrior type truck. So basically what I'll be doing is painting this flak black. But what I've been doing today is just 3D printing parts for it. So the other thing I wanted to do with this is use as many free to print files off the internet, printing 3D parts for this project as we can. So it gives it an example or an idea of all the parts out there that are free. As long as you have a 3D printer and some filament, they're free that you can use on this platform, on the TRX4 platform. So that's basically what I've been doing so far. Let me aim down, I can show you. Been putting together some different parts for this on the 3D printer. And if you remember right, we've already installed a lower center of gravity battery tray in here in the last episode of Behind the Scenes. But now I'm trying to print out as many more parts as I can, like a roll cage. I'm doing some beefier bumpers. We got the cages for the windows. And in fact, I'm doing a back bumper right now that's on the printer. In fact, if we go over there, we can take a look. So I moved the camera over here into the workshop, and this is pretty much what the 3D printer has been doing nonstop for really the last 2 days. I started this yesterday. I've been printing today. Right now it's printing the back bumper for the TRX4, but it's just constantly printing parts for the TRX4. That's how much is available. It just at Thingiverse alone on the internet as far as free to print parts for the TRX4. But anyways, I wanted to bring you guys in here and just give you a look at the 3D printer going right now. I mean, it's been going nonstop. But anyways, hey guys, let me know if this is a series you want to continue watching. Basically, this was the first week of this series, or the first 3 days, pretty much the first week. But let me know, is this something you want to see me continue doing? I'll do it 5 days a week for you guys if you want to continually get updates. I really don't mind doing it, but just let me know. Hit that like button too. That really helps let me know if this is that this is something you want to see by the number of likes. And hit the subscribe button if you would, guys. That does help the channel. I really appreciate it. Hey, thanks for joining me this week. Thanks for joining me today in the Daily Update. And I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.